Hello and welcome. Today we're doing a move called the reverse quick draw. There's the move. Here is a slow-mo. All right, so this move, the reverse quick draw, there's actually a few kind of different variations. I've actually already done a tutorial on this reverse quick draw, which will be in the description. However, I think the reverse quick draw, which I'm about to teach you, is one, I think it's flashier and kind of smoother and looks better than that one there. Two, I think it's a little bit quicker. And three, I actually think it kind of winds up in a little bit of a better position with the blade pointing more outwards easily. So those are kind of the motivations, but let's get right into learning this move. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the knife in the reverse position with the bite handle towards your thumb when you place the knife on your palm. You can see I'm placing the knife right about where my fingers meet my hand, right about here. That's where the safe handle is kind of lining up with, just like so. And the thing about this position is I should be able to wrap my four fingers around the safe handle so all of my fingertips are touching the safe handle. And you're going to know that you are doing this correctly if you can kind of extend your palm, like kind of arch it like that way, and let the bite handle drop freely because there's no interference from any fingers. So again, you place your palm there, wrap your four fingers around. Your thumb can be wherever, you got to get it out of the way. And then you can extend your palm a little bit to have the bite handle fall down just like so, and that's going to be the start of this move. Once you've done that, what you can do is you can actually take your index finger, extend it out of the way, and take your thumb and place it where your index finger was. And now I've got a pinch going on between my thumb and my index finger, kind of like this, at which point I can extend my bottom three fingers, and we're in a perfect position to swing the bite handle up into my hand. And once it gets swung up, I can wrap my four fingers around and catch just like so. So right from the top, placing the knife here, wrapping my four fingers around, getting my thumb out of the way, letting the bite handle drop, extending my index finger, inserting my thumb, extending my bottom three fingers, pulling. And in this case, in order to pull the knife up, the best way to do it is kind of to pull back, and in this case to the right. So you kind of pull back this way, and that's going to cause that handle to swing up just like so. And you can wrap your four fingers, and that's the whole move. Now, of course, if you put that all together, you wind up with something like that, which is quite a bit different than just the quick draw, which is much quicker. And so, as I'm sure you can imagine, this is going to take a little bit of practice, but all you have to do is do everything super fast. So right immediately after you drop the bite handle, you're going to want to extend and insert the thumb, extend those three fingers, do a slight pull backwards, and you're going to have the bite handle swing up just like so, all in one motion. So you can kind of practice this as slow as you can, and eventually you're going to get better and better and better as you practice. One of the cool things about this move is you don't even have to do, once you get really quick at it, you don't even necessarily have to do, depending on the weight of your knife, of course, you don't even have to do that pull backwards. You can really just let gravity do its job. So as long as your knife is loose enough that when you release, you can have the bite handle swing up and hit your knuckles, that's all you need to be able to release and catch with basically no momentum, which is kind of a cool trick. Now, one of the things you might be thinking is, if you're way ahead of the game, is after the open, okay, now I want to close it. I can just do the same thing, right? I can take my four fingers, I can swing out the safe handle, I can pull backwards and catch just like so. And you know what? You can totally do that. However, I really wouldn't recommend it. And the reason is because the sharp side of the blade is here. And so if you mess up on that, you're going to cut yourself. And that's not a big deal. However, much easier is after you have opened the knife this way, you can actually come back the way you came. So you pinch with your thumb and index finger, release the bite handle, have it swing down, pinch, and basically do the exact reverse to catch the knife. So open this way and exactly back the way you came to close. And you can see at the end, instead of going up and to the right, we can go down and to the left. So here, down and to the left, and that'll help you to catch. So that's the open. That's the best close in my opinion after this. And you can really, once you get good, you can kind of practice these over and over and over again, back and forth. So anyways, hope you guys like this one. Hope this is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Peace.